In this course, you will learn and build a Wi-Fi controlled robot, which can be controlled by keys on your computer. The robot will be connected to the internet, using Wi-Fi, through the ESP8266 module, and will listen to commands from a specific web page that you will develop. As part of this course, you will learn about networking, wireless communication, basic HTML, and Arduino programming. The course is based on Skyfi Labs' Learn, Do, Review methodology, which ensures your learning of technical concepts, in addition to building the project with your own hands, using the kit. A topic like robotics can be learned only by building projects. And Skyfi Labs makes the process super easy for you. Kits required will be shipped to you within 24 hours. And you can finish the project within 1 week, from anywhere on Earth, and earn a certificate. With Skyfi Labs, you will not just build the project with a definite output, but also learn the concepts, so you can easily crack the interviews with confidence. Enroll today, and start learning by building projects.